Hello everyone. Here are the short forms of ICT key concepts which you must understand in order to learn ICT. So let's get started. The first one is AMD, which stands for accumulation, manipulation and distribution. I would recommend you to write it down with yourselves in a notebook or take a screenshot of it. The second one stands for BMS, which is break-in market structure. Third one is BR, which is breaker block. Fourth one stands for the CE means consequent encroachment. Fifth one is DOL, which means drawn liquidity. Drawn liquidity means like which area you are expecting the market to approach. Sixth one is equal highs, EQH, EQL, which means equal highs and equal lows. The eighth one is HTF, which is higher time frame. Ninth is IOF, institutional order flow. 10th is IOFED, which means institutional order flow entry trail. Then there comes LKZ, which means London kill zone. Then there is NYKZ, which means New York kill zone. At 13 we are having LP, which means liquidity pool. So coming forward toward the 14th one, which is MB. MB mean mitigation block. Then there come LTF, which means lower time frame. MMBM, which stands for market makers buy model. Similarly, MMSM, which stands for market makers sell model. Let me add a T at the end of the market. Then there come N dog, which means new day opening gap. At 19 we are having one extra thing. There is also one thing which we call NWOG, which means new week opening gap, which also give lots of significance in the ICT concept. So you must notice this one also, which is NWOG, new week opening gap. So at 19 we are having OTE. It means optimal trade entry. At 20 we are having SB, which means silver bullet. PDH stands for previous day high. PWL stands for previous week low. One extra thing, PDH means previous day high and PDL means previous day low. Similarly, previous week low, and if there is an H with it and not the L, then it is previous week high. At 13, MT, which stands for mean threshold. And at the last there comes FVG, fair value gap, and IFVG, which means inversion fair value gap. So for such more content, kindly like and subscribe the channel.